Hey friends, if your Windows laptop turns off when unplugged, even when you are using a new battery, then please watch this video. Now, here's the thing, let's get to the point very, very clearly that if the battery is connected and it's not working, then there are only three possibilities. One is that the capacitors are holding some redundant charge. So, switch off your computer, remove the battery, remove the power cable, remove everything that could be a source of power, and press the power button for 40 seconds continuously. This will discharge the capacitors for sure, and once it discharges the capacitor, you can connect the battery and check if it works. So this is one thing, and the second one is that I found this answer on the Microsoft Answers forum. So they said that don't go for all of those software level solutions like checking the power settings, running the power troubleshooter, because no software level what do we say changes can cause this problem. If you encounter this problem, then the problem is not at the software level, then the problem is at the hardware level itself. So you will have to get a hardware technician to check the connectors of the battery. Have they gone bad? Has there been a short circuit, some liquid damage or something? And obviously the final answer is to try a different battery, the right kind of battery to be associated with your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you better. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.